Welcome to this video. In this video, I will be teaching you that how you can write content and the types of content that are prevalent in content marketing. Not even in content marketing, if you are doing affiliate marketing also, or if you are promoting anything, these two types of contents are available. The first content is trending content. Please remember, the first content is the trending content. Trending content means those sort of contents which is trending at a particular event of time. For example, now COVID-19 is going on. So in this harsh times, now the content is means number of COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. It is known as trending content, and one is known as evergreen content, which will be trending at every time. Suppose best songs of Lata Mangeshkar, best songs of Lata Mangeshkar. It is a trend. It is an evergreen content. Best songs of Lata Mangeshkar. It is an evergreen content that will be evergreen. It will be there and its demand will be also there at a constant rate. And one and different type of content is trending content, which is trending at a particular event of time. For example, now COVID-19 is going on, so it is number of COVID cases in the past 24 hours. So it is a trending content which I will see today only. After 2 days, I will not see the 24 last COVID cases in the past 24 hours of that particular day. I will not see. For me, that particular information, that particular news has become a older news. I am not at all interested to know the COVID-19 cases 2 days before. I wanted to know that in the last 24 hours how many COVID cases have increased. So it is known as your trending content, and evergreen content means best songs of all time, evergreen songs of 1990s. They are known as your trending content, sorry, evergreen content. That is evergreen, it will never be old means. But one thing I must tell you in this perspective also, that trending content is more likely to have more amount of traffic, though it is for a lesser duration of time, but it attracts huge amount of traffic. But though the evergreen content is constant, it will never be an older for me, it will never be old, but the rate of traffic is constant. It doesn't increases also, and in to some extent it don't decreases also. I'm not saying that it is not increase at all, it increases, but sometimes it is being seen that that particular bounce rate is not there as compared to the trending content. But trending content, as I have said, it is for a particular event of time only. Now the next slides will tell you that how you can write content. The very first thing, growth at 10x rate, top 10 list. They're very popular as they're easy to create. They are also highly effective. For example, if you are making a list of Bollywood music series in India, you would have to list artists like Arjit Singh, Badshah, etc. based on lyrics and tunes. This way you can include a link saying the lowest price in the market is right here on Amazon and user is likely to buy. So it is top 10 list, like top 10 songs, top 10 artists of India, top 10 musicians of India. So these types of content are more likely to get attracted by the people. Suppose if I select that, suppose if I'm selling laptops and I have given that top 10 laptops of this country, top 10 laptop of all times. So this sort of laptops, this sort of content, this sort of headlines are going to attract a potentially huge amount of public to your blog, to your products, to your business, to your website. So the first type of content was top 10 list. The second is product A versus product B comparison. You could have seen in many YouTube videos when they're unboxing mobile phones, they're comparing Samsung J2 versus MI Note 5. They're comparing that which one is better. So in these types of content attracts people. Suppose I am intended to buy a Lenovo laptop that is with i3 processor, and there is a and I search for Google that buy Lenovo i3 processor laptop. What I'm getting in result, I got a description where Lenovo i3 versus Dell Inspiron. So what I am going to do, I will be going over there and I will relate that which one is more better. So product A versus product B categorization type of contents means those headlines of your websites, those headlines of your blogs are more likely to be attracted by people than a simple one. Like if you say like that, best features of Lenovo i3. So maybe because I know I have decided to buy a Lenovo laptop, I know that 1 TB RAM is there, 4 GB, very sorry, 1 TB hard disk is there, 4 GB RAM is there. I know. I don't want to see the features. I want to see the comparison that which one is good. A Redmi mobile phone is more good or Realme one is more good. So it is product A versus product B categorization. And then it is best products under XYZ INR. We Indians have a budget. Whenever we go buy anything that is maybe mobile phone, car, bikes, anything, we have a budget in India that till 10,000 rupees I will buy a mobile phone. So I can write a content in such a way that will having its description as best products under 10,000, best mobile phones, best smartphones under 10,000, best laptops under 50,000. So this type of contents are more likely to be attracted by the people. And the last one is how to use. Suppose you have taken a cream, basically it is used in beauty products. Suppose you took a cream or something that type of stuff, and you are explaining in your vlog that how to use it step by step with the photos, it may be with your video or just textual contents. So people will be more likely to use it. Suppose if I have if I have purchased a MRF tire of particular car and I don't know how to apply that tire in the vehicle, what I will search in Google how to use MRF tire to apply in a particular vehicle. So that types of content, that types of if you have that types of blogs, then they are more likely to be searched and more likely to be clicked by the people. So these four types of content headlines are important for you so that people will come and they will be seeing your offerings that you are giving, maybe your products, businesses, or maybe a simple blog post. So the first one was top 10 list of anything, top 10 laptops, top 10 mobile phones. Second thing is product A versus product B categorization, that is best is Samsung J2 18 versus Realme Note 5. Then it is best products under X versus INR, best laptops under 50,000, best phone under 5,000. This sort of contains. And last is how to use uh, the suppose how to use a particular camera to take blur pictures. So this types of content, this type of headings you can use in your blogs that will attract more number of potential traffic, potential targeted audience to your blogs, and your blog will be vividly used by more number of people. I hope that you have understood what I wanted to say. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe this channel and stay tuned for the coming videos in this series. Thank you and have a great day.